To be honest, you've got several alternatives for how you do it, according to your preference. The first way to do it is to do it in autumn, after the flowers have finished, and simply remove the flowering spike and one pair of leaves. That leaves you with a longer stem. So the alternative is to do it now in spring and cut to the top pair of buds to just remove the flower spike again. Now, what I prefer to do, because I like to keep the lavenders fairly compact as opposed to them getting leggy, which you sometimes find they have bare stems at the bottom, what I like to do is cut further back in so that instead of cutting to the top pair of leaves, I will cut to one much lower down and let that develop. And the attraction of that is that you develop a low bushy plant with a nice even dome of flowers on it. And I'm not going to do the whole thing here and now, so here's one that I did earlier. It was exactly the same, and you can see how much lower it is. And what you can do, once these little shoots down at the bottom start to grow, you can actually cut these top bits off so that you encourage shoots to come from the base. You'll end up with a happy, healthy plant and some beautiful flowers for the summer.